Okay, so here's how you would sew that, put your own design inside of that blank snap tab. I'm going to show you the sequence of how it's going to sew. So first it's going to do the outline, and then right now is when you would lay your vinyl down on top of your hoop. That's just the guide to show you the size of the vinyl that you need to put down. Then it's going to sew this inside box, this little blue line. Speed that up a little bit. So in order to insert your own design, right now is where you would do it. Or you could actually do it before this blue line, but I would suggest you do it afterwards. And I'll just show you. You would have to have the capability in your software or in your program to bring in a file. So I'm just going to import an embroidery file right now. I'll just grab any old thing. I'll just take this goat, even though it's got an outline on it. That's fine. I'll open that up. And this guy, he's got to go right here. It's got to go right here. And of course, it's got to be lined up properly. So that's another thing you'd have to be able to do is rotate designs in your software. It's on an angle, so it'll fit in your hoop better. Well, unfortunately, I grabbed part of my goat, so it messed that up. But I just think you'll get the idea. I'll get rid of that outline. Okay, so then you would have to be able to put your design where you want it inside of that area. And make sure he's all grouped together. Arrange, group. And if you can see where the items, the colors are right here, he's going to sew right after this blue line. The very last thing that's going to sew is the bean stitch or the triple run, which is the one that you sew after you put the vinyl on the back side of your hoop. I'm assuming that you've made snap tabs before, so I'll just go ahead now and show you how it's going to run again. So there's the guide run. Now you would place your vinyl down and start to sew. Next, it's going to do the goat that we inserted, the design that we inserted right there. It's going to stop on every color. There's no leg. And then now is when you would take your hoop out of the machine, turn it over, put the vinyl on the back side, put it back in the machine, and then it's going to sew this outline stitch to hold the two pieces together. Whoops, sorry, put my finger on my screen and it stopped. So I hope that helps you. So you do have to be able to bring your design in and place it in the sequence where it's got to go. And if you need help with that, I'd be more than happy to do it, to place your design in there for you.